1. Drink plenty of water. Drinking more water keeps you hydrated, which makes losing weight easier. Instead of having juice or soda throughout a day, focus on water. Drinking water before a meal can reduce hunger, which can be a way to reduce your consumption. Consuming less is key to becoming slimmer. 2. Lift, throw, and move. Lifting some weights in your home shouldn't be a very difficult task. You can find a bucket full of water to lift. Throwing objects around your yard such as football or a volleyball can be another drill you can take on. It energizes your muscles and helps your movements to become more agile. Doing these workouts at home can not only make you thinner but also healthier. 3. Morning walk. Going for a walk every day, especially when it involves leaving your warm bed on a cold morning, is a difficult task to do. But it's very important if you are really focused on losing your excess weight. Scientific research shows that walking before breakfast burns more calories from your body fat than after breakfast, helping you to lose weight faster. Researchers found that walking at 2 miles per hour for around 30 minutes can burn around 75 calories of your body fat, while 150 calories can be burned at 4 miles per hour. 4. Consume more vegetables and fruits. Consuming more fruits and vegetables can be beneficial for you in losing weight. As fruits and vegetables are naturally lower in calories, they can be a highly effective addition to your diet. Fruits and vegetables provide fiber that can help you to feel fuller quicker while also helping to keep your digestive system healthy. 5. Eat at home. Avoid pre-packaged food. Don't buy food items that list sugar, fructose, glucose and corn syrup as their major ingredients. The food served at restaurants on large plates can also contain high calorie levels. If you are willing to cook more, a better option is to prepare the meal at home. Also, avoid junk food from the supermarket. Those foods contain high calorie counts that can increase your weight. 6. Stare at the blue color. Have you seen any restaurants that were painted in blue or featured blue on their walls or dining table covers? Researchers have concluded that blue is the color that makes you feel like you are full. The color is considered an appetite suppressant. Hence, staring at blue can be a way to consume fewer calories. Avoid red, yellow, and orange in dining areas, as studies have found that these colors boost eating. 7. Watch less TV. When you spend more time watching TV, there is a greater chance that you will eat more. A bunch of researchers have found that people eat more while they are watching TV. The people who spend more time watching TV eat more often while watching TV and also at other times. So, if you manage to watch TV less, there is a chance that you will consume fewer calories, which can be a significant factor in losing weight. 8. Avoid white food. White foods such as white bread and white flour contain large amounts of simple carbohydrates, which consequently can lead to weight gain. Instead of having these sorts of sugary products, you can eat plenty of grains or cereals and brown rice. 9. Sleep properly. Your quality of sleep can also influence your weight. Normally, you need 7 to 8 hours of sleep in a single day. Sleep problems can contribute to mental health conditions like depression, which in turn have an adverse effect on weight control. So proper sleep and the cure of mental health problems, if any are present, also can have a positive impact on weight loss. 10. Grab ordinary coffee. Special coffee drinks from fancy stores can contain several hundred calories. Hence, such items must be avoided. A cup of regular coffee with skim milk has just a small fraction of those calories.